Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll guide you through how to share your Google Calendar. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's start. First of all, choose the calendar you want to share on the left here and click on the three dots. Then click on Settings and Sharing. Scroll down and you can either make your calendar available to the public by clicking there. You can then get the shareable link by clicking on it. Alternatively, you can share it with specific people or groups by clicking on Add People and Groups. Choose what permissions to give them and click on Send. And there you go. That's how you share Google Calendar. Simple and easy. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.